Good day guys, and welcome again to my channel. Today we're going to make a very simple headband slash ear warmer, and I'm going to use this Tender Touch mustard, and this is from Hobby Lobby. This is 100% acrylic, and I'm going to use my 4.5mm crochet hook. So let's get started. So I'm going to make my slip knot, and I'm going to make a number of chain depending on my head measurement. Check my measurements from my nape going to my ear until my forehead, and it is 23 inches. So my foundation chain will be 23 inches. So now I have made my chain. So this is 23 inches. On the second chain from the hook, we're going to make our half double crochet, but instead of doing the normal double crochet, so now we have the 3 loops on our hook, yarn over and pull through only 1 loop, then yarn over again and pull through all 3 loops. Again, yarn over, insert our hook on the next chain. We have our 3 loops on our hook, yarn over, pull through 1 loop. We have 3, yarn over, pull through 3 loops. Alright, continue doing that stitch until you reach your last chain. Yarn over again, insert your hook on the next chain. You have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through the first loop, yarn over again and pull through all 3 loops. So do it over and over until you reach your last chain. So now we are on our last chain, so we're going the last stitch. Chain 1 and turn. It looks like a double crochet. So for the second row, we are going to make a slip stitch all throughout. So we're going to use the back loop only. Don't make it too tight, because later on you will find it hard to insert your hook on your third row. So this will be a slip stitch row until the very end. So continue doing your slip stitch until the very last chain. So now we are done with our slip stitch row. This is the back side, and we're going to chain 2 and turn our work. This is how it looks like on the other side, and this is how it looks like from the back. It depends on how you want to use it. So again, we're going to repeat the first row, but we're going to use the back stitch only, this one. So yarn over and use this stitch, pull up a loop. Again, we have 3 loops on our hook, yarn over on your first loop, yarn over on all of your 3 loops on the hook. Again, yarn over, insert your hook on that chain on the back loop. You have 3 loops, yarn over on the first one, yarn over and pull through on all 3 loops on your hook. So this will be done all throughout our row. And this will be our repeat, alternating this extended half double crochet and the slip stitch, all be done on the back loop only. And it depends on how wide you want your headband. All right, so I'll be doing my repeat for this project for the entire row, and I will meet you later when I have my width of my headband. So this is our tail. This is where we start, and this is where we finish. And we're going to start sewing all those 4 sides. And now we have our twisted headband. So thank you for watching, and if you make one, please feel free to tag me on your social media. I am on Instagram at Angel Needs 2. Feel free to tag me on your photos. I would love to see your creations. So thank you for watching and joining me today. Happy crocheting, everyone, and God bless.